Welcome! This is the All You Need to Know About People lecture series. Hello, I am Lily Amies. I am a language enthusiast and nature lover. Malay is the national language of my country, Malaysia. These feelings and emotions course empowers you to talk about your feelings and emotions in Malay. Articulating our feelings and emotions are crucial to express how we feel. If we can find the right words to express ourselves, we can communicate effectively with other people. Do you want to make a big impact with your words? Describe your feelings and emotions effortlessly. Say how you feel. Feelings and emotions. Whether you're feeling enthusiastic, which is bersemangat, or cekal, strong-willed. Perhaps you're feeling puas hati, satisfied, or riang joyful. Are you feeling comfortable, selesa? There are 110 lectures to describe your feelings and emotions. Sentence examples with vocabulary are explained in both English and Malay. The complete feelings and emotions list is also provided for printout. This list is available in both languages. Furthermore, 10 interactive quizzes are given to test on what you have learned. In a nutshell, there are 110 lectures on feelings and emotions, followed by the complete list of feelings and emotions, and lastly, 10 interactive quizzes on feelings and emotions. I'm excited to begin. Are you? I'll see you in my class. Thanks. Any questions? Reach out to me and I will answer your questions.